Have you wondered where to start from in actually writing and publishing a book? Of course you have. It takes passion and discipline to bring your story to life. You are not a publisher. You never signed up to be a formatter, a designer, a distributor, a marketer, all at once. That's quite a lot to handle, isn't it?
You wrote a book. That's the hard part. Most people never do it. Everything after that, that's supposed to be easy.
It's not. You're not a publisher,
You never signed up to be a formatter,
a designer,
a distributor,
a marketer,
and a data analyst.
all at once.
Most platforms automate the process.
They take your book and run it through a machine.
You get a file back,
Maybe it's good.
maybe it isn't.
Either way, it's not yours.
ARCS is different. We built a platform for authors who want to stay in control
Of their manuscript,
their cover,
their distribution,
their royalties.
and their growth.
6 tools, 1 platform built for everything that happens after the last word
ARC Writer,
is where it starts.
an AI-powered manuscript editor that thinks like an editor.
Not a chatbot.
Suggest a better sentence.
Tighten a chapter, export print-ready files in 1 click. ARC's Designer, your cover is your first pitch.
Choose from KDP ready templates.
Or start from a blank canvas.
Every export
Is print verified.
before it leaves the platform.
ARC Hub is your command center. Track royalties across formats.
Manage your distribution pipeline.
See exactly where your book stands always.
ARC Store.
Sell directly to your readers. Listed books, paperbacks, hardcovers, and digital products with your brand, not ours.
ARC Labs.
See what's selling.
See what niches are heating up.
See where your next opportunity is.
Real market insight.
No guessing.
ARC University.
Expert-led publishing courses.
Included with every account.
Because the best tool.
Is knowing how to use it.
Every author has a book worth publishing.
ARC gives you the platform to publish it the right way, on your terms, under your name, keeping your royalties. ARC Books.
Write more.
Publish better
Start free.
at
arcsbooks.com.